Hey, hey there, Night Fury. You come to wake me up, huh? You're ruining my sleep. I can't sleep with you. You're being a pest. What do you want? You want food? You just want to cuddle, don't you? You big gay cat. You want to cuddle with another dude. Night Fury, the gay cuddling cat. Look at him. He's watching his own shadow. He's vain. Unbelievably vain. What you doing, Fury? You're a retard. Stop smelling my breath. You bored? Hey! Get your paw in my mouth. I'll fuck you up. You don't even know. Go away. Hey! You. Go away. The power of Christ compels you. This is the almighty Night Fury. Hey! Fucker. By me. I'll mess you up. You don't even know. You don't even know what I'm capable of. Hey! Don't mess with me. I'm crazier than you are. You're like a little tiny panther critter thing. You're so angry. I know I keep saying this in all my videos that you're in, but you're unbelievably angry. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Night Fury. Say hi, motherfucker. You answered. You're like a tiny panther. Oh, is that the spot? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're like tiny compared to me. My hand is like the size of your body. Oh. Oh. What's this? Hit the sweet spot. Alrighty. Oh. The video light is horrible. But, I'm Sean. I'm half asleep. I'm going back to bed. Night Fury's gonna eat my cable. Have a good one.